Hi beauties, you're welcome back to GLOWRITE Beauty World and Skincare channel. This is a DIY video. So today I'll be making a short video of an easy way to make an exfoliating scrub at home. These ingredients can be found in your home. If you notice that your skin is dull and you have dark spots and you want to brighten and lighten up your face, this video is for you. You'll be needing a bowl, you'll also be needing a spoon, and the first ingredient that you'll be needing is brown sugar. You can use a white granulated sugar. For this video, I'll be using a brown sugar. Brown sugar has the ability to naturally exfoliate, moisturize, and it also removes dirt and dead skin, smoothens and whitens the skin. Coffee contains antioxidants. It exfoliates, clears dark circles, treats acne, brightens the skin, and also reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles through its anti-aging properties. I'll just be adding 1 sachet of this coffee, which is equivalent to 1 tablespoon of coffee. That's what you'll be adding. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey has exfoliating, antibacterial, and healing properties. Honey can revitalize, moisturize, and nourish the skin. Lastly is lemon. Lemon can lighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and helps to improve the collagen production. It removes dead skin cells and stimulates new cell growth, leading to a brighter and more even complexion. Now, this is all the ingredients that are needed for this scrub. In here is the brown sugar, the coffee, the honey, and lemon. So I'm just going to give it a good stir to enable the ingredients to incorporate well enough. This is an effective body scrub that does not cost much to make. With consistency, is going to scrub off the dirt and dead skin, fade dark spots and blemishes, thereby brightening up a dull skin. All you need to do is to use 3 times a week doing bathing. Just wet your face and body, scoop and apply on a circular motion, then rinse off. Within 21 days, you will notice a difference. So beauties, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment for more skincare contents. See you soon. Bye for now.